Grabe, Papa P, this is one of the biggest series I think this year, and nashinak mo na naman kami na of course we can't say much, but the twists, the turns, the gravity of the story and the world we're gonna show the audience. Wow, you were doing Manila's Finest then preparing for this?
All right, just to give you a brief background of how this actually transpired. When we were doing the Kingdom, the film in 2024, right away after the movie was shown, Direct Mike approached me in January saying, "We're gonna do a series, and then after that, we might do a film."
Oh,
So from the get-go, I already knew that there were plans to continue it on with the series because it's such a big story. Kumbaga, kinumpress lang namin to introduce the kingdom,
oo.
the monarchy,
Yes, yes.
the alternate universe. So, yun. And then, of course, the whole year, I was busy with a lot of things.
Yes.
So finally, now that it's eased and coming into the StoryCon, I had to watch The Kingdom 2 nights ago on Netflix.
The number one, by the way.
1 week na.
And counting.
Yeah.
Pa 2 weeks
So
na.
I'm just really excited because now we're able to remind the viewers about the story, and now we're getting more people to watch it,
Yes.
especially the ones that weren't able to catch it in the cinemas. And we're excited because finally, mag-start na yung series. So I
Oo.
really blocked off certain months for this series,
Oh,
for
wow.
this show, because I promised Direct Mike, and I said yes to him
Mm-hmm.
early on pa lang in 2025.
Buti na block ka na pala ng maaga kasi lagi nang
Yeah.
puno yung schedule mo a year before.
Yeah, and also said yes to a lot of
Yeah,
projects
yun
last
nga.
year. I did a lot of movies, a lot of cameos, and I really allotted this few months for him so that we could do the series.
And we're just scratching the surface of Sulu.
Yeah,
Right? Ay,
pretty
grabe,
much.
ang dami pa niya palang, I mean, the world is so big. How do you feel na it's the first time na an original adaptation will be translated into television with big announcements yet?
It's
come.
not an adaptation. It's a
Sorry, a
it's a
continuing.
continuation.
Okay.
It's a continuation of the story. Of course, we had to center on Bossing's character, his kingdom in the movie, but now we're spreading it out. We're introducing the other kingdoms because there are different kingdoms as part of the whole universe of that alternative government.
Okay.
So, pinalaki lang namin. Inintroduce lang natin yung kingdom dun sa movie, and now we're expanding it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Gumi-Game of Thrones
Oo
tayo.
nga. Kaya
Sana,
sabi
alam
ko,
mo, it's really nice.
possible
that we have-
pala, no?
We have something like this. I was talking to Direct Mike, sabi ko, nakakatuwa that we're elevating our cinema, our way of producing
Yun nga.
content, and I'm happy that I'm part of it.
Yeah. Parang nauna ka kasi nalala ko, replacing Chef Chico, nauna
Was
ka.
the first
Diba?
Netflix series,
Exactly. And then you did the Malyari, you did the Gumburza, you did the many, many more. The
Yeah.
Ride, Manila's Finest, of course, Meet Greet, which earned so much last year in the box
Yeah.
office as well. Those are things now we saw
Sana
you.
huwag ka
but-
magsawa sa
Hindi
akin.
nga eh, kaya nga parang and now this one on television, parang sometimes you can't grasp your head around it, but it's happening and parang inunahan mo lang dalawa. Hindi ko alam kung paano ba yung word na yun. Parang may intel ka. Charot, 'di ba? Or you're leading the way. You're leading the way
I would
for
always
it.
say that I'm just really privileged that at this point of my life and my career, my age, that I'm tapped to, be part of big projects, be given characters that, like when you said, how come I take on challenging roles every time? I always choose projects that are hard to do. I guess ang sarap lang nung pakiramdam na nakakagawa ka pa ng mga pelikula na hindi common, like the usual rom-com genre that I grew up doing for 20 years. And now that I'm able to diversify, nakakatuwa na ang dami mo palang pwedeng roles na gawin. So I always watch movies, I always watch shows because if they can do it, why can't we? So I'm just happy that I'm part of that movement. And I'm always going to push the envelope as long as I'm needed, as long as I'm useful, as long as I'm able to give my talent and my skill and making sure that I give it my best every time I'm given projects such as this.
You're on front of the camera here, but people also know you have Spring Films and
Mhm.
with good projects as well lined up this year.
Yeah.
Full throttle din bang Spring Films
Yeah, I came
with
from the office this morning
wow
and they're doing the pre-prod for Eman. So I'm like, makikiligo lang po. Kasi syempre,
Oo.
all systems go na rin. Ipapalabas na siya
Grabe.
in a few weeks.
Oo.
So and then there's another project, my son is coming home and then
Yun
this
nga.
series is gonna be starting soon. So nagpahinga ako for 5 days because I told you I lost my
Yes.
voice during Christmas and I had
Yeah.
a New Year's countdown concert.
Mhm.
So sabi ko, siguro, pahinga ako ng 5 days tapos let's go again.
Oo nga, parang wala ka na. And these are great projects. Like The Good Doctor, sobrang dami niyang fans.
Yeah,
Di
yeah,
ba?
nakakatakot. I'm just happy for my son because he was tapped to do it and he's so invested. He's arriving
Oo.
tomorrow. He's been doing workshops from last year. He did the workshop for a month. And now immersion naman siya as soon as he gets back. And then just the same, they're gonna start grinding soon as well.
Grabe. What's your vision for it, for Spring Films this year?
To do more projects that are relevant, to do more projects that are, just like how we started, cutting edge. Pero something na pag-iisipin ka, just like Manila's Finest.
Oo.
When we said yes to Manila's Finest na mag-line prod, pati post-prod, we made sure na it's different.
Oo.
It's not your usual mainstream drama. So we always choose something different. We always make sure nagagawa kami ng projects na pag-iisipin yung tao.
Si Natalie, binoto ka sa
Talaga?
Manila's Finest.
Oh,
Siya yung
thank you.
jury.
Thank you.
Siya yung jury. Sorry.
Thank you,
Chinismis
Nat.
lang.
Siyempre, di ba?
Oo.
Thank you, Nat. Pero
Hindi,
deserve
maganda
ni guys
kasi.
yun.
Maganda kasi. Sila, I mean, not just because binulo, dalawa ka lang, hindi. Dahil ano.
Deserve
hindi,
naman.
hindi naman
Deserve
ako
naman
Hindi,
ni Vice.
syempre may criteria ang MMFF.
Talaga itong
Oo,
pinupunas pa.
sorry,
Pero
sorry.
para sa akin talaga, saan mo hinugot yung energy?
Oo nga, yung
Anong
tanong.
Manila's Finest?
Hindi, for
Hindi
everything.
lang,
Ang daming
oo.
projects kasi back to back. Ano ba, what's driving you nowadays? Kasi
Ayun,
sobrang,
Nung
Front
in-interview
cam,
ako
and may on cam nga siya, tsaka off cam,
Oo.
kaya naloloka.
Nung in-interview ako ni Patty, from the time that I started in this business, I always said na yung love life ko kasi yung career ko eh. So it always comes first.
Okay na sa'yo yun, na you love
For
life
now,
mo yung career mo.
at this age, bata pa naman ako eh.
Oo. Totoo naman. Totoo naman. Yes.
Sabihin ka sa
Oo, yes. Oo. Hindi ako Oo. Yes, totoo
Yeah,
yun.
kaya pa naman. No, I'm just, trying to, take on roles na hanggang kaya. Hindi ko na maalam na tatagal ako ng ganito sa industriya. Naabot pa ako sa punto ng pagbibigyan ng mga roles na katulad nito na lang, Kingdom, after Manila's
Solo.
Finest.
Oo.
Ito na naman, martial arts na naman, tapos period ulit, di ba? Something different. So nakakatawa and I get my kick out of doing things na out of the box, na something different. Kasi lumaki ako sa romcom eh. So finally nakawala ako doon. Yun naman yung namimiss ko ngayon.
Rom-com.
Romcom naman, maiba lang sana. Sana I'd be given a chance to do something. Kaso ang hirap naman kumuha ng leading lady ngayon.
Ngayon?
wala pa rin ba si Juday?
Oo.
Next question.
Oo. Kasi you can't answer. Iba yung schedule niya rin eh.
Mahirap yung schedule natin. Puno tayo. Kaya nga sabi, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin. Pahinga ka naman muna sa pelikula this year. Kasi nga parang binugbog ko yung 2025. Di ba? In 1 month, lumabas yung The Ride, lumabas yung Meet and Greet, lumabas yung Kingdom sa Netflix, lumabas yung
Yung
Manila's
Manila's
Finest.
Finest.
Sabi ko, pati ako nagsawa sa sarili ko eh. Sabi ko, sige, pahinga pa. Series muna tayo.
O yun nga, na parang mabubugbog din.
O pero
Sa
wala
ano.
nga, gusto ko talagang malaman, ano ba?
Kung saan nanggagaling.
Oo, why?
Oo.
Papa? Kasi kahit parang inisip namin, hindi mo naman kailangan ganito
Well, as
kadaming
long as
project.
hindi nagsasawa yung mga tao. Kasi ako, I wake up every day thinking that I have something to do. I always want to be productive. And I always want to do something that would help me grow, not just as a person, but as an artist. And being on the set is like being in a playground for me. Pag meron akong tinitake na character, I live it. Hindi ko siya inuuwi, hindi ko naman siya mini-method. Pero I take it as para pumapasok ako sa school. Yun nga lang, bayad ako.
Oo.
But at the same time, nag-enjoy ako kasi ito talaga yung more than my bread and butter. Ito yung outlet ko eh. Ito talaga yung passion ko ba. As cliche as it may sound, I enjoy what I do regardless of the hours, regardless of the time. Wala naman ako ibang gagawin eh. Sometimes when nagbabakasyon ako, nabobore ako eh.
Wow.
Actually, you know what? You can say that it all stemmed from the pandemic. Sobra akong bored sa bahay.
Na ano ka, na trauma ka.
That's
Ayaw
when
mong
that,
bumalikan.
that's
Oo.
when I realized I cannot stay home.
Oo.
I cannot be idle. And from 2022 up to the present, hindi pa ako nagpahinga. I get my month off pag pumapayag yung manager kong slave driver. Pero
Oo.
like this year, I have three weeks off. Pero may kasamang shows yun on the side.
Oo. Kumbaga ano na yun, hinga na yung show.
Yung 5 araw na pahinga ko after New Year's, more than what I could ask for.
Wow.
I'd rather be working. I love to work.
Oh, wow.
Yung burnout naman.
Yung burnout
how do you
nangyari
avoid
sa akin yan before I turned 40. Now I'm turning 50 and I'm like, hindi ko na mararamdaman yun kasi ano bang silbi ng buhay kung wala kang gagawin, you know? I'd rather be doing something productive than being idle. You know, mahirap naman na mag-iisip ka ng gagawin mo, ito na yung gagawin mo, mag-iisip ka pa. Nabibigyan ka ng magagandang blessing. So I just really cherish it and I make sure that I give it my best. Kung dumating yung love life, tsaka na natin pag-usapan yan.
Yes.
Baka
So-
ngayon na 50.
Oo.
Busy pa ako eh.
Oo.
Bata pa.
Busy pa ako.
Totoo, bata pa.
Pag
Bata
malaki
pa.
na si Inigo.
Oo nga.
Oo,
At 28.
Papa, 50 ka na ba talaga?
Sabi nila.
Hindi, parang hindi naman, daya.
Sabi nila.
Oo.
Kaya nga sa commercial shoot ako, sabi, smile ka, pero nakikita yung lines mo, sabi ko, anong gagawin ko eh? May lines na po ako, sorry.
Pero
Ang galing.
milestone year yan ha. Sa ibang tao, parang they feel...
Yeah, I'm excited. Like before that, you know, I was dreading to be 40, I was feeling the burnout, and then after I turned 40, excited ako mag-50. Excited akong magkaroon ng maturity, excited ako na nakokontrol ko na yung sarili ko in terms of what I can take on, what I want to do with my life, and yun lang. Maganda yung work-life balance kasi hindi siya complicated dahil
Ladies and gentlemen,
napakasimple
we'll be
ng
wrapping
tao.
up the interviews in 3
Would you,
minutes. Thank you very much.
Papi, hindi lahat ganyan eh. Kasi yung iba nga natatakot pa rin tumanda. What was your secret or ano yung lesson that you learned that made you love, growing old, especially in the industry? Because not everyone will be, you're a once in a generation, or maybe a lifetime star.
Dude, it's not about you. You're just part of a bigger whole. You're just part of a bigger process of things because at the end of the day, kung hindi mo contribute yung talent mo, sayang naman. Kumbaga, someone else will take your place. So if I can take it myself, if I can take it on and I have the time for it, I do it.
Galing.
But I won't naman embrace the success and live it. I take it on and then I move on. Parang whatever accolades you get, okay, thank you, and then I move on. Parang ganun lang, dire-diretso lang. Hindi ka naman magdedwell dun sa negative, hindi ka magdedwell dun sa positive. You learn stuff as you go along, you grow as a person, as an artist, and you just keep on growing and you keep on learning and being a student of life.
Walang ego, Papa P. Actually, yun nga eh.
Kung may
No,
ego ka, that's your downfall.
exactly.
Kasi it
Actually,
will be about you.
exactly. Other people, other personalities are like that. But what, ever since ba, parang wala ka na talagang ego? Or was there a
Siyempre,
learn?
dumating naman ako dun sa time na feeling ko dapat sa akin.
Oo.
Pero kasi I guess my saving grace is being a Christian. My faith. Kung wala naman akong faith, kung wala si Lord sa buhay ko, wala rin ako dito. So that really humbles me and it
Galing.
grounds me so much every time.
Parang your last question lang, you're in the position na to give advice talaga, Papa
Oo.
P. Parang, syempre maraming actors talaga takot malaos, ganyan.
Ang problema pa ngayon, and they're very tentative. Konting sakit, they're gonna quit. The thing is, YOLO, dude. You only live once. If you're not gonna appreciate the life that you have, sayang ang buhay mo. Napakaswerte mo na nabubuhay ka, may kinakain ka, may trabaho ka. Kung iisipin mo na dapat deserve mo lahat, that's gonna be your downfall. Every day, so it's a new day for you to do something different, to be better, and to just strive to be a good person, a better person.
Yan yung advice mo
Opo.
for the actors.
Opo.
Ang galing. Ang dami nating soundbite. Iisip ko paano ko ikakat yung
Ikaw na yan,
soundbites nila.
MJ.
O kami dalawa. And then susulat pa namin sa Philippine Star. Eh. Ako Saturday column. Tapos sila bukas. So sabi ko paano natin paghati yung soundbites ni Papa P. Thank you. Ay, opo. Ay, okay. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Opo. Thank you.